Mirror Worlds is an NSF-funded project that explores the mixed reality environment. How does the real world that you and I live in interact with the virtual world that we can create online on a computer? So how do these worlds interact? How do they connect is really what this project is about. How do we find out where you are in the real world to put you in the virtual world? Well, we use something called blob tracking, and that allows us then, using cameras that are positioned around the building, those cameras can detect where you are and place where you are into the virtual model. And as you see on the screen here, we place you as an avatar. And here we have a shimmering blue light that says, okay, that's where you are in this virtual environment as you stand in the real environment. Here, this is actually a conference room. So we can now interact with each other even if we're not in the same place. I could be sitting at this chair in this room right here and be interacting with somebody who's sitting in this chair somewhere around the world. Instead of talking to some screen up on the wall, I can actually be talking to an avatar. It could be online, just exploring the virtual environment and show up in this room and I can interact with them. One of the neat things about using this kind of avatar is that, of course, then your privacy is fully maintained. You don't see who I am in that screen. It's completely anonymous.
In a nutshell, we're using the cyber infrastructure of the Mirror Worlds to connect physical participants in our Moss Art Center to folks who may be coming online from remote locations anywhere in the world. What does it mean to go to an art exhibit if you can go there through your mobile phone or VR headset? Can you experience with someone who's physically there? These are all parts of the new imagination that we're opening up with the Mirror Worlds project. It opens up a whole new set of ways of communicating between people who are physically present in an exhibit or with a crowd to people who are online. And not only opening up new modes of communication, also interactions and experiences. Being able to track people inside the building also helps us to understand how exhibits are arranged, how emergency evacuations might be affected, how does the public interact with artworks, and how do we have our experiences have a broad impact? Can we share the local space and the experience with someone online? So collaboration is at the heart of the Mirror Worlds project, and bringing people together across space and time where they can share experiences and share interactions.
So in the future, this basically lays the foundation for how the real world, this world that I'm standing in, that you're seeing, can interact with this virtual world, how that virtual world can then interact with this real world in ways that we can't even conceive of right now.